2004 phenomenal hit. Drop it on them like this.